Hey everybody, hope that you're well. So I just wanted to shoot you this video to talk a little bit about some of the objections that I often hear from people who really want to change their life and they're thinking about starting an online business, but they find that there's something holding them back. And the biggest, most common reason that I hear is I haven't got time. Okay, so let's deal with this right here, right now. Now, I get it, okay? I know exactly what it's like to be run off your feet. You're working all the hours and then you've got your responsibilities of running your home. Maybe you have children, a relationship, you've got your health to consider and your hobbies and your friends, and life is busy. Life is hectic and it pulls you in a million different directions. Now, let me ask you this. If you don't have time to start working on something that will give you more time in the future, like that, there's a problem there, right? Can you see how that's a catch-22? So you're so busy in your job, with your responsibilities, with your hobbies, with your social life, blah, 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 and you don't have time to work on something that in the future will give you time freedom, okay? Now, in that situation, you've got to ask yourself how badly you want to change your life. Now, yes, I'm not saying that it's going to be easy, and I'm not saying that, you should quit your job or anything like that. But you've got to prioritize how you are spending your time. So if you really want to change your life, if you really want to build something for your future that will give you that time freedom so that you can spend your days however you want, so you can wake up when you want, so you can spend all the day with your children or with your friends or travel in the world in the future, then in the short term, you need to make some sacrifices and prioritize how you're spending that time. Now, I'm not saying this is you, because if you're watching this video, you're probably into self-improvement, self-development, and taking care of yourself. But a lot of people waste an incredible amount of time just flicking through Facebook, for example. I mean, I've done it. You can lose an hour of your day just scrolling through Facebook. And then the same thing on YouTube. You go to look for something, you end up there an hour later watching a bunch of different videos that you hadn't even been looking for to start with, right? And then the classic. At the end of the day, you're completely exhausted, you've got no energy left, and all you want to do is collapse on the sofa with a glass of wine and put the TV on. How many hours a day are you watching TV? How many hours could you be working on something that will improve your future and make your life better? Now, I know that I had to make sacrifices to build my online business. I reduced my social life. I reduced the amount of time that I was going out and that I was watching TV and all of these things. But I didn't care because I was so excited about what I was creating for my future. And I'm so excited to have that time freedom and be able to spend my day as I like, that every single sacrifice I made has been worth it. So again, it comes down to how badly you really want to change your life. And if you're not willing to sacrifice a short term, make sacrifices for the short term, then for the long term gain, then, probably you're going to spend the rest of your days in the same situation because you haven't done anything different, okay? So I really hope that helps. We all have the power to make the decision, to make the choice about what we do with our time. And I know it's not easy juggling everything that you have going on, but trust me, it is so worth it if this is what you really want. So take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.